Vigorun Tech is a professional remote-controlled machinery factory manufacturer located in Shandong Province, China, specializing in the production and R&D of remote-controlled lawnmowers, remote-controlled transport vehicles, and remote-controlled multifunctional equipment. The company boasts a strong industrial foundation and a complete machinery manufacturing system. Our products are CE certified, employing world-leading wireless remote control technology and intelligent automatic control technology. We also provide OEM customization services to distributors, helping customers build their own brands. Our remote control machinery has received widespread acclaim in approximately 140 countries across Europe, the United States, Australia, New Zealand, Brazil, Chile, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Remote-controlled lawnmower robots are our main product, widely applicable for mowing, weeding, shrub trimming, and fruit tree transportation. They are suitable for various locations including slopes, steep slopes, wastelands, roadsides, riverbanks, orchards, villa lawns, football fields, and gardens. We can produce approximately 200 sets lawnmowers per month and have a professional quality inspection department and experienced quality inspectors. All remote control lawn mowers undergo 100% indoor and outdoor field testing before delivery to ensure they are qualified and ready for immediate use upon receipt. Our company has a comprehensive after-sales service system and a professional after-sales team. With in-depth product knowledge, we can provide timely, professional, and efficient technical support to our clients, quickly resolving product issues and addressing many of their concerns. All distributors and end users can enjoy our high-quality service. We welcome friends from all over the world to inquire and discuss cooperation.
Welcome!